Yo, what's up, Moli Bwanj? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Titi Dimankala kuro ku USA koma dimachogera ku Botswana. Today, I am excited to share this video with you guys. It's a brand new song by Lady Ika, Her Majesty. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the uploads. Hey!
It's Taimon. Just another good song.
Wait, it's not Lady Ika's song, okay? She's featured. Taimon, Tipa, Lady Ika, Tilana.
Ndavutika kungani ya chikondi.
Hey.
Ndikaganizira mpaka misoni.
One of my favorite songs. I feel like it has the vibe that I love about the authentic Malawian, also I think Zambian intertwined kind of beats. This is like Afrobeat-ish. Before we knew there was a genre called Afrobeat, this was it, man.
Panonda kupeza bola tikale awiri. Chikondi chatu chichidzapanga mbiri.
Hey.
Mami we ndikuyamikire kukongola ngati wapoda kale. Ndiwewe kapalibe yanga make ndidzakukonda mpaka udzakalambe. Ndasaina kale kutirekanisa sizingateke. So kamba sizingalepere. Nthawi ikadusa dzakhala chete. Iwe ndineyo takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Sitingasiyane takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Olo mvula ibwere takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Ndidzanyowa tonse takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Iwe ndineyo.
Yo, what? Big up to the videographers, man. The video is crisp, it's beautiful, it's all the things that you want to see. The quality is unmatched. Big up to this artist. I think this is the first time I'm reacting to him. And yeah, beautiful lyrics, by the way. There are a few things that I can understand because, you know, I know a little bit of Tswana now. So yeah, guys, please go check out this guys. Let me see. I'm gonna subscribe already right there. I have so many YouTube accounts. I feel like I have subscribed to many artists with different YouTube accounts. So
Ulibwinotisa siyani Teile Iwe ndine mpaka kumanda Dikaganiza konse Iwe ndine sangati chose Awilingati nyumba ndikonde Iwe ndine tilipa chikondi Kaneza chikondi ndizofuta Deundi mbetse ukazandi putanza zungusa Olo mwina kulusa Kaneza chikondi ndizofuta Undi mbetse.
I love where they shot this video. It's beautiful. That's also a beautiful house. If I ever have money, if I ever have
Iwe ndineyo takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Sitingasiyane takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Olo mvula ibwere takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Ndidzanyowa tonse takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Iwe ndineyo takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Sitingasiyane.
Let me know in the comment section, what does Tilana means? Takwatirana. What does that mean? We are never gonna separate? I don't know. Let me know in the comment section. Did somebody leave a comment? Let's see. From Lady Ika gather here. Let's translate that. Those who have come with courage that those alone cannot destroy our banner. Let's gather here. Nobody has said anything yet. Yeah, seems like a lot of people are there for Lady Ika. I think I'm one of those.
Tirana takwatirana. Olo ngondo ibere takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Ndidzamenya tonse takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Zakale zaiwalika chikondi chakumana.
Zakale zaiwalika. the past.
Olo mavuto abwere bola tikukondana.
Problem.
Sakaleza iwalika chikondi cha kumanda. Olo mavuto abwere bola tikukondana.
Iwe ndineyo takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Sitingasiyane takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Olo mvula ibwere takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Ndirizanyo wadonse takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Iwe ndineyo takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Sitingasiyane takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Olo ngondo ibwere takwatirana, tirana takwatirana. Ndirizamenya donse takwatirana, tirana takwatirana.
Yeah, beautiful video, beautiful song, and 2026. That's the quality of this, man. I am so impressed. Okay, so good music, man. Please go check out their YouTube page. Go check out the song, and I'm pretty sure this is one of the songs that people are gonna love. And maybe somebody already suggested this on the other side. Yeah, Zikomo Kambiri for your support, you guys. Please continue. I know I'm not consistent. I'm not as consistent as I'd love to be, but here we are. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys on the other side. Bye.